We're so high up. Mom,
Huh?
it's so high up.
We're so high up.
Look, there's so many cars.
So many cars, yes.
I can see the whole town.
You can see the whole town.
I can see that. It's Daddy. Okay, here. I'm watching hotel. I wish the hotel. Whoa. Whoa, I see a bike. Let's go.
Where's your daddy?
Daddy right there. That's my car.
That's your car? Where are we?
We're up the town.
We're up in the town?
We're at the town.
Hospital, ba?
Hospital here.
We're at the hospital.
Yay. Bye. Bus.
That's a city bus.
That's a city bus?
Yes.
I want to see that on the top.
You want to sit on the top?
Wait,
You're going to fall down.
Hi.
You're going to fall down. You sit on the top of the city bus.
I want to run again.
You want to go on that?
I want to run the bus.
Okay. Say cheese. Cheese.
Oh, we're so high up. What's that?
What's that?
Oh, can I stay here?
Okay.
Can I do this?
Okay.
I can't do this.
Okay.
And this?
Yes.
Can I do this?
Yes.
Oh, this so down. I can do this down.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and this go down.
Oh, yeah. You got him. Oh, good job. All right, you can come out. What number is it? 97. Good job. All right, now we're going to go down this hallway. You want to grab your shoes?
I can see my shirt
Hop
off.
up on the bed. You're doing so good.
Bye-bye. Okay?
No, wait.
It's not Owie?
What's this?
What's this? That's ultrasound. So they can see your heart. That's your heart right there. They go beep, 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 like that.
It's almost done.
Not yet, almost. There.
Oh, we need a towel.
All done. We'll wait for all the bill. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi! Yeah!
That's your daddy.
Mommy, let me see the photos with that.
Okay.